Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about types of room keys. First, what are types of room keys? The housekeeping department is primarily concerned with the following categories of keys. One is emergency key, two is master key, three is guest room key, four is supply key, five is card keys. First one is emergency key. This key opens all the doors, even those that the guests have double locked. In addition, it is also double locked the room against all other keys. Hence, the emergency key should be well protected. It should be stored in a secure place such as the hotel safe, a safer deposit box, or a metal cabinet that only the general managers or the security officers can access. Some properties may also keep the e-key of the premises. Its use should occur only in emergency situation such as a fire or when a guest or employee locked in the room and needs immediately assistance. Most housekeeping personnel do not use emergency keys on the day-to-day basis. Next one is master keys. These keys open all the guest rooms door that are not double locked. They are separated into 4 levels of accesses: grand master key, pass key, master key, section master or sub master keys, floor master keys. First one is grand master key. This key open all hotel guest rooms and often all housekeeping storage rooms as well. It can also double lock a room if access to it has to be denied. This key can be used in emergency situation when it is vital for a manager to enter some or all areas of the hotel. It is itself kept under lock and keys at the front desk of hotels. Pass key or master keys. This key is kept by the deputy or assistant housekeeper and will open any internal doors that has not been double locked. Next is sub-master key or section master key. This key open all the rooms in one work section of the hotel. A supervisor may be issued more than one key of the types as he or she may be required to inspect the work of more than one GRA. Next one is floor master key. A GRA is given this key to open the rooms he or she is assigned to clean on a floor. The floor keys open all rooms on a particular floor that are not double locked. If the employee has room to clean and on more than one floor or area, he or she may be need more than one floor keys. Floor keys typically open the storerooms for the floor too. Next, guest rooms keys. These are the keys issued to guests upon their registration. The guest room keys open a single guest room so long as it is not double locked. A code number representing the room number is typically stamped on the key. Guests are asked to hand in their keys when they go out and they keep or then put on a keyboard which should be kept out of view of passers-by and security precautions. A guest room's key not hanging on the keyboard should indicate that the guest in the hotel. Next is supply keys. These keys are used within the servicing sector of the hotel by the supervisory level staff to ensure that stocks and equipments are safely stored away when not in use. Store keys, office keys and linen room keys are examples of such cases. Next, card keys. Many hotels nowadays use the card key systems. This type of room locking mechanism use regular doors locks and special plastic cords that act as a key to unlock the doors. The plastic cords look like a credit card with hotel punched in them. Some have a magnetic strip inside of the hotel. The system uses a computer that codes the code to lock and unlock the doors. Rather than rekey the door lock in cases of losses of keys, the computer is used to create a new room lock codes for each rooms. Master keys may be easily created and destroyed through the computer's code system. So this is the key codes. Thank you very much for watching.